friends, this is Kaya's craft shop. Now I'm going to do a flower quilling like this. This is a bud flower, flower of bud. So this coming like very nice quilling. See, with the combination of red and light blue gray. See how it looks. This is also a part of framework. You can keep it in a flower aside. It will look very pretty. So now I am going to teach you how to do this. Stay tuned. Friends, for this bud flower you need something like this. This one. You need two pieces to cover the bud. So like this outer cover is designed like this. So I will teach you how to do this first. Okay, for this take a strip, and with the help of this comb I'm going to do it. Stay tuned. Insert the strip, paper strip, in center of the teeth, and in the same teeth like a knot. Put like a knot and turn it. You will get like this. Don't take your hand, don't take the finger you keep here. That is a grip. So here, as my thumb finger is holding it, in that point a little drop of gum. Okay, don't put more, otherwise it makes the comb sticky and your hand also sticky. It won't come good. So next step, slowly to the same teeth, to the right side. Slowly, don't make it faster, it will remove the knot. So again, let me make it clearly. Again, you go to the next teeth, to the right side of me, and see, the back side will be like this. So again, put some pinch of gum here. Next, you go to the left side. Okay, it should very you should do very gently, otherwise it will come out. Mainly to do this you want some patience. Okay, patience is very must for the craft work. Next, and again put some glue. See here, the middle surface is getting increased. In every bend, in every fold you should keep glue, then only it will come good, otherwise it will be removing it. Okay, see here, I have taken this side, right side 5 lumps and left side 5 lumps. So that is the maximum which I need. See, now slowly take it out. Okay, see how it looks. It looks like this. So gently keep it for 2 minutes to dry it. In meanwhile, we are going to do the middle part. For that we need some waste paper strip, this like a bluish gray and a red color strip which I bought in Amazon, and I'm going to connect this two into a single thin stripes. See, I connected by glue. Okay, using this machine I'm going to manually make the design of crunch. Don't make it very faster, it may damage the strips or tear the strips. See how it looks. Now with the help of this super curling machine, I'm going to scroll this into a circle shape. See, keep it here. The gray color should come the center, so you should keep the gray color first. Start curling it. Okay, the center part is came like this. Put some glue into that and stick it properly and press it into a single edge, and it will be like a teardrop. Okay, we did already this one, right? With the help of this we are going to make it. So keep the glue entire outside of the bud like a teardrop. Okay, and keep it down. And now take these two strips, design strip, and make it get closer and gently press it. Okay, like this, like a heart shape. With the help of glue it automatically sticks to with the bud. In this part we need more glue, so put some more glue. Okay, and in meanwhile you stick these two strips also. Okay, gently. Okay, the two step came into a single step. That was very good. Now and gently push down this and okay, keep it aside for a few minutes to dry. Friends, imagine this is a frame. We already did this. I have done the link previous video. I have done this flower, half flower. In that also you can keep this, like this. Like this, or you can keep it here in between two petals. Now it's not sticking. Okay, you can keep this like that, or you can make it very closer and like this. Like this also. So this is the second video for this lump. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting Kayas Crafts.